Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at BiBoosterix EA, an expert advisor developed for MetaTrader 4. Right away on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that this is an MT4 only trading robot currently listed at a price of 33 US dollars. The developer is Andrei Kozak, and the version available at the time of this review is version 1.0. Looking through the product description, BiBoosterix is presented as a trading robot designed for automated trading with a focus on adaptive capital management and market analysis. According to the developer, it is suitable for both newer and more experienced traders, combining automated execution with configurable risk settings. Moving further down the page, we can see some of the key features highlighted. One of them is the adaptive lot management system, which automatically adjusts position sizing based on account balance. The EA also supports multi-currency trading, allowing it to work with multiple instruments when configured accordingly. Risk management is another area emphasized here. The robot includes stop loss functionality, trailing stop management, and a limit on the number of simultaneously open positions. These controls can play an important role in managing overall exposure depending on how the user chooses to configure the settings. All right. So the marketplace information also explains that the EA uses a combination of price dynamics analysis, stochastic oscillator signals, um, and price channel direction when making trading decisions. Okay. So in addition, the settings appear straightforward with parameters such as initial lot size, maximum open orders, trailing stop distance, stop loss level, and a unique magic number for trade identification. For trading conditions, the developer recommends a minimum deposit of $500 and specifies XAUUSD as the primary trading instrument. The recommended time frame range is from M1 up to H1. All right, with risk remaining fully configurable by the user. Now, moving over to the historical backtest section, the developer states that testing was conducted on XAUUSD using the M1 time frame with the FX Open Broker over a 3-month period. All right, and as always, shorter testing periods can provide useful insight into recent behavior, but I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well so that you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market conditions. So looking at what we have here, this is a test for 1 year from 1st January 2024 to 22nd December 2024. Currency per XAUUSD, time frame M5, leverage 1 to 100, balance $1,000. And here we can see quite an interesting equity curve or balance curve, right? Steady growth at some point after quite, very, 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 very gradual rise. Then there was quite a steep rise from there. Okay, so let's head over to our strategy tester. Let's see how this expert advisor performed on gold on the H1 time frame using the every tick model over the past 3 months. All right. So looking at the report, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, the total net profit was $20,442.92. Okay. And then I can also see that the total trades taken were 14,791, out of which 8,067 were profitable. That gave us a 54.54% win rate. Okay, and I can see that the largest profit was $35.98, largest loss was $8.7, average profit $5.02, and the average loss was $2.99. So that means that the risk to reward ratio on average is not bad. Okay, it's actually maybe a little bit above 1:1, 1.5 thereabout, and a little above that, right? So I can also see that the maximal consecutive wins was 42, and that yielded $171.78. But the maximum consecutive losses were 58. That's more than the wins, right? And that yielded 200. That led to a decline of $204.44. Okay, but then let's quickly turn on the visuals. Let's see how this EA works in action. Let's see how it looks like in action. So looking at the chart activity and the information provided, we can see that the EA's decision making process is based on a combination of price movement analysis, stochastic signals, and price channel detection, right? So trades are opened when predefined conditions are met, while trade management is handled through stop loss protection and a virtual trading stop mechanism. Now, positions are then closed when profit targets or management conditions are reached. As for the historical testing performance, it is important to remember that backtest results represent past market conditions only and should not be viewed as a guarantee of future outcomes. All right, actual performance can vary depending on risk settings, lot size configuration, broker execution quality, spreads, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. All right, so if you are really interested in making use of this EA, I would recommend you test it on the particular currency pair or currency pairs that you intend to use the expert advisor on. Okay, but if you just want to make catch good moves in the market, then perhaps, since the EA seems to have been optimized for XAUUSD, or perhaps since the developer states that the test was conducted on XAUUSD, maybe you might just decide to use it on XAUUSD as well, right? But you can perform your back testing across maybe several assets and then find the one that the EA might have performed best on, right? But overall, the BiBoosterix EA offers a structured set of trading and risk management tools for MetaTrader 4 traders, with support for adaptive lot sizing, configurable protection settings, and an analysis approach that combines several market inputs. So if you're interested in this EA, I would strongly encourage testing it on a demo account first and performing your own optimization before considering any live trading environment. If you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insight. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.